I guess I have to call this one the night monitor. This is a old car DVR that I took out from my car because I have a better one now. So what I did was I plugged it into my floodlight. There are two sockets here. This is one floodlight, and this is where I screw in an adapter because the car DVR is USB powered. So there's a socket adapter and a USB adapter. So when the motion sensing light senses someone approaching, it would turn the car DVR on, and of course when the light goes out, the car DVR would go out too. So it is basically just monitoring the backyard. At night I have sometimes some cats and raccoons, and it would be fun to catch them rummaging through my garbage. Yeah, the first thing to do, you have to go into settings and you have to activate motion detection. So you press M for the mode, and then you go into this middle button here, press OK and make sure it is turned on, and then the auto power off. You have to turn it to off, otherwise the camera will power off after 1 minute or 3 minutes. Because if you want to use it as a monitor, you don't want the camera to be off at all. You only want it to be on when there's movement in front of it. So for now, the camera will be powered by USB plugged into this floodlight unit here. It is not really high resolution, but there will be enough resolution to make out what's going on in the backyard. That's my LED light box with a solar panel.